Hello friends, welcome to channel Himalayan Astrologer Sharma. Today we will discuss about suicide or why people commit suicide. Astrology deals with in very comprehensive manner. Let's discuss it. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will receive the notification about the latest videos. So let's start the video. Uh, Today we will discuss why people commit suicide. Before going to deeper into this subject, let's discuss what is suicide is all about. Uh, Suicide is killing of oneself by oneself, right? So now there are three houses which represent self. In astrology, there are three houses. So first is the ascendant, first house, and third house, which also represents our right arm, 11th house, left arm, and among planets, its sun, which determines self. Friends, there are the two houses which play very important role. That's sixth house, which is the house of enemy, disease, and debt, and it's also a house of violence. So, and as the enemy gives us injuries, wounds, which is also another form of a disease, right? And 11th house being sixth from sixth and using the principle of bhavat bhavam, that also determines injuries. And among planets, Mars is violent planet and cause injuries. And when Mars itself became lord of sixth house and 11th house, as it's the case with the Gemini ascendant, so Mars placed in the first house will cause head injuries, right? Because it has the impact of the two self houses, sixth house and 11th house in the Gemini ascendant. Similarly, if for Gemini ascendant, Mars conjunct aspect or by placement affect 8th house, 8th lord, which is Saturn and ascendant, then the chance of death will be due to head injury, right? Uh, and let's go deeper into the aspects and what are how we determine the cause of the death, which is suicide. So eighth house is a house of life and house of death also. As life is seen from the eighth house. Now, if ascendant lord, third lord, 11th lord, and sun, uh, which collectively determine self, these houses and planet sun determines the self, put their effect either through placement, aspect, or conjunction on eighth house or eighth house lord, then person commits suicide, right? And if Mars came into that picture, then the cause of death will be violent death, right? Or injury, head injury, or use of force or sharp or blunt weapons. We will discuss this case by picking up the two charts. First is a chart of the Subhash Chandra Bose. In this chart, Saturn has effect on 8th lord and 8th house, right? So Saturn determines cause of death. Saturn being the lord of the 10th house, which is occupied by the sun, Rahu, and Mercury, and 10th house is we know the house of the height. Height is seen from the 10th house because when sun is placed in the 10th house, it means the birth of the person is at the noon 12 when the sun is at the peak of its heat, right? And sun, Rahu are separative planets. They have a tendency to separate the things uh, where sun and Rahu are placed. So death by fall from the height, right? And Rahu is also there, which signifies otherness. So how is the otherness? So in another country. And sun, which determines the eastern direction. So Japan is in the eastern direction, so cause of the death is from the crash of aeroplane in the Japan, right? So that's how we pick up the bits and give predictions. Another is the case of Hitler. And in the case of Hitler, Venus is ascendant lord and eighth lord, and which is under the control of sun, which is the lord of the 11th house, which also determines violence, and Mars, which is cause of the injury, and Jupiter being the third lord also determines the self, and sixth lord, which also is the cause of injury. So Mars violence and closer to sun. Mars is the violence, and when it's get closer to the sun, it means it's moving very fast. It becomes moving. It's moving very fast. So cause of death will be some fast moving earthy fiery element, so bullet. So death is caused by shooting from gun. So that's how we predict about these events. So when you have to give predictions about um, suicide, so please take into considerations third house, ascendant, sixth house, 11th house, and their impact on the eighth house. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you will receive the notifications about latest videos. Thanks for watching the video.